Today I will be showing you how to install Anaconda on Ubuntu. There are tons of videos out there that teaches you the same, but in this video we will be seeing how to install the GUI version of Anaconda Navigator on Ubuntu. So when Anaconda is providing the GUI version, why should we remember all the Conda commands when we can get half of the work done with just few clicks? So let's get started. Open a browser, go to product and then click on individual edition. There you can see a download button, click on it. Here they will ask you for which operating system you want to install the Anaconda for. Here we will be using the 64-bit Ubuntu, so we will be clicking on this particular link. And there you can see it's getting downloaded. I have already downloaded it. So go to the folder where you have downloaded it. For me it is in downloads and then open it in terminal. One way is to right click and open it in terminal. Another way you can do is by typing in CD and to the particular folder where you have downloaded. After doing that, type in bash followed by the Anaconda file's name that you have downloaded. After doing that, press enter. Then it will ask you for certain set of instructions that we need to follow. So let us blindly follow that. Press enter. Then this is the license file. Please read it if you have lots of time. Else press enter to continue it. After pressing enter, do you accept the license terms? Yes, definitely. And then it will ask you for the path where it wants to install. For me it is default, so I'll be pressing enter. And this will take quite a lot of time to install depending on the speed of your internet. So let's wait. Would you wish the installer to initialize Anaconda 3 by running conda init? Press S. That's it for the installation of Anaconda. Now let us set up the GUI version of Anaconda Navigator so that we can just click it on desktop and then open it. So first what we need to do is close the terminal and open a new terminal. After doing that, you can see there is a base that is showing me the environment, the Anaconda environment before my username in the terminal. If that is not showing for you, then make sure that you add the Anaconda path into your bash rc file. That can be done by typing in sudo nano and dot bash rc, bashrc. Type in your password. After that, go completely below. For me, it's already there. For you, if it's not there, make sure that you paste it into your bash rc file. The entire line will be given to you in the description below. So after doing that, now let us get going with the installation of GUI of Anaconda. Basically, Anaconda Navigator is already installed. Only we need to create a shortcut that can be opened in just a single click. So in order to do that, open a text editor. After opening a text editor, paste these set of commands. So that commands will be given in the description below. Please make sure that you change this particular keyword TIG to your username. After doing that, save it. So save it to your desktop. Give a name of your choice for the file. So I'll be giving it as Anaconda followed by the extension that is .desktop. After that, save it. Close it and you can see that Anaconda has been saved onto my desktop, but it is not executable because if you see, if I double click it, it opens a text editor. So in order to avoid that, right click on it and click on allow launching. And you can see that Anaconda icon has been successfully shown onto my desktop. So we can double click now and wait for some time till it initializes its environment and then opens up. So there you can see we have successfully installed the Anaconda Navigator onto the system and we are able to open it with the desktop shortcut. If you enjoyed the video, click on like, share and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.